how to create PowerPoint presentation with pictures and text in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to create presentations with Canva. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser, head over to canva.com, make sure that you're logged in, then go to template section on the left hand side. There you can see under explore templates, presentation is at the first. Just tap on it and then it will give you various styles of presentation that you can choose from. If these are not the presentation of your choices, you can even search your choice. You can also choose your style like professional. You can choose your language, and then let's say I want a business template, so I'll search for business. So here it will give me various presentations. I'll choose the one of my choice and then tap on customize this template. Now I can easily make changes on this template, so I can put in my company name. So just change the wordings, change the text. You can even change the fonts, the colors. So you can just choose your style. There are no restrictions at all. You can go to other slides. You can change this image. Just tap on it and then you can remove this. You can go to uploads and then choose your picture. So there you go, just drag it and you can use your own pictures. It's as simple as that. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.